everyone, and today we're gonna do 6th grade math. Alright, let's start by doing this cool lesson. The measure of an angle is 4.2. I think a supplementary angle. Let me see. What is 180 minus 180 minus 4.2? Let's say I think it's 175.8. Let's see. Oh, that is what is a complementary angle. 45. Oh, a supplementary angle. 94. Oh, the measure of an angle is 26.9. What is the measure of its complementary angle? So what is 90 minus 26 and 9/10? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's 63.1. The measure of an angle is 106. What is the measure of its supplementary angle? The answer is easy. It's full. No, just kidding. Let's see. 7 full. Yes. And last question. The measure of an angle, easy. That's 44.2. You made a challenge. Reveal your prize. Yes. Easy. Practice some more. Hi everyone. Today we're gonna do 6th grade math. Oh wait, I already said that. Oh, I thought it was so cool. Let's graph points on a coordinate plane. Alright, the 3, -4. That is easy. Go -8, -7. No, I mean -8, 7. Another easy question. 2, 8. Easy as cheese. 6 and -10. 1, -1. No, -1. 10, 2. -9, -6. -7, 5. That's 3, 7. 0.5, -3. -3.5. -4, 1.5. 2.5, 4.5. Click to graph a point. 10, -8, 10, -7, and 8, 5. Well, that's one weird shape if you connect the dots. Oh yeah, I kind of read that wrong. 4.5, 2.5, -3.5, 4.5. Alright, we can complete this lesson. 3.5, -0.5. Oh, wait, no, that's not how it works. 3.5, -3.5, 3.5. Alright, let's do this. Graph the points 1, -7, and 6, -2. 1, -7, and 6, -2. Get that point out of here. And did we get it? We got this. Graph the points 10, -3, and -4, -5. -1, -4, -4, 4.5, 4.5, 3. Alright, I guess that's it for today's video. So then, bye everyone. See you in our next